Terrible hailstorm here. I don't know what size the walls are. You can see all down through here. Hope it's not destroying our car. And the roof and everything else. Say 1 inch hail, not quite things on the ball size, but hail. Hear the sound of it hitting the roof and the gutters. Susie's car down by the saucer Jane magnolia tree. Hopefully that's deflecting some of the hail away from it. See the knocking the leaves off the trees now when you look out. Got my GMC truck from Jerry today, so I tried to pull it as close to the house as I could, but I'm sure there's no, the van's in the garage, but anyway. Spreading out a little bit, and spanning out a little bit. Still coming down. The hail's slowing down a little, so I'm going to stop.